Hi, guys. Have you guys watched The Four of Us? It's a new series, where Usindi Dlatu is also in that series, and the fans are really not happy about her being in that series. They're saying that she can't act. They are also saying that she is still playing a role Yaga Lindiwe Tikana on this series because she is acting the same. She is basically doing the same thing. And I'm like, Njani? Because she is just following the script, Sana. If they gave her the same script twice, and then what is she supposed to be doing? There's also another comment that I saw, someone saying that she can't act. She always has this sour face for all the emotions, whether she is happy, whether she is sad. She always has a sour face. She can't show emotions. And I'm just like, these people that are making all these things up are not even actors. It's just fans and Jay that are watching at home. And to say that she can't act, but she always gets these roles like in different soapies and stuff. Why is she still getting these roles if she can't act? I really don't understand how people think. And I don't even think that she is still acting as Ulindiwe Tikana. It's just that we liked her as Ulindiwe Tikana to a point that we can't erase that picture of her in our minds. Like every time that we see her, we always see Ulindiwe Tikana. We can't erase the role Yegu the River because Sana, that was one of the most biggest role that she has played. Even the role that she played on Muvango has nothing when it comes to the role that she played on the river. So I think people still have that memory, the river, they still have that in mind. They can't erase that. So when they see here, they're just thinking that they are seeing the river. Like people really come for this show. They are also saying that it's giving Mzansi magic. It doesn't deserve to be on Netflix. Like guys, how do you think she is feeling like, reading all of these comments while she was working hard on this? Like, I don't really know. And this might even, um, make her lose other opportunities as well. Because directors will see good people are saying good, this person can't act, this person is this and that, so people don't like this person, and then they won't even be wanting to work with her anymore. So I really don't know, guys. Have you guys watched this series, The Four of Us? If you have, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know, what do you think of it? Do you think it's giving Mzansi magic? Do you think Usindi Dlatu can't act? And also, just leave a comment in the comment section and also like this video.